Welcome to this City Update. I'm Gab Roberts, and today I'm out at the Fayetteville Regional Airport. As you can see behind me, there's a lot of construction going on, and I'm joined today by Tony Coleman. He's the airport director. Now, Tony, I see there's a lot of activity going on behind you with the front of the airport. Can you tell me what's going on right now?
Right now, we're having to redirect some of our utilities in order to put the footings that are going in front of the terminal in. Originally, there was a problem with those footings because of the sewer line that went underneath them. That's been corrected. And so we've completed that process, or in the process of completing that, and then we'll begin with development of the front of the terminal.
Now, this project is going to provide more of a space when people are coming in to be dropped off for a flight or to reach their gates. Tell me a little bit about that. Is that correct?
That is correct. We actually had to move the terminal loop road 10 to 15 feet away from the terminal because we're expanding the front of the terminal. We're going to improve the rental cars, and we're going to put new escalators in the front of the terminal. So there'll be an improved canopy in the front. The road network would have changed a little bit, but it will be a better experience aesthetically for the passengers who are coming to Fayetteville Regional Airport.
And once a person's inside, there's going to be a lot more room for them, right? Tell me a little bit about that.
There will be much better space. It'll be clear span. You'll be able to look from the airline counters all the way down to the rental cars. There are some baggage systems right now that TSA is using. Those will be moved into an area outside of the passenger's view. So they'll see new airline counters, new rental car counters, and new spaces throughout the terminal, at least on the first floor. On the second floor, of course, you're going to have the new TSA screening checkpoint and some other amenities on that level.
Now, when's this project expected to be completed by?
All of the construction should be completed no later than the middle of November of 2020.
Before we wrap up, Tony, I just want to ask you one more quick question. I know there's a restaurant that's supposed to be opening up within the month that's inside the gates. Tell me a little bit about passengers can expect when they come in to fly out and what they'll find when they're at this new facility.
That is correct. That is being built out by Ben Stout Construction. It's called Tailwind. They're going to be the food, beverage, gift concessionaire for the airport. They'll have a location on the secure side, but they'll also have the ability for passengers who are waiting on the non-secure side to order their food, and it will be brought to them from the Tailwind restaurant.
Well, Mr. Coleman, I want to thank you for coming on to this City Update and giving us the latest word on what's happening with the renovations at the airport, and I want to thank you for watching.